In this video tutorial, we shall see the assembly program to transfer a block of data from internal RAM to the external RAM. So in the last program, we had transferred the data from external RAM to the internal RAM. And now your source is internal RAM and the destination is external RAM, right? So we shall change this accordingly. So now the source is internal RAM and destination is external RAM. Alright, so in such a case, now the pointer here will be R0 and these locations will be 30H, 31H, 32H, 33H and 34H, and this will be 1000H, 1001H, 1002, 1003H, 1004H. Fine. So that's it. Now we are copying from internal to external. Let us see the program for the same. So this is a program now to copy a block of data from internal RAM to the external RAM, right? So the only change here is, so we have initialized the byte count. We have initialized the starting address of destination. So this will be destination. This will be the source address. Now after this, we have to read first from the internal RAM. So move a comma at the rate of R0 and you now write it to the external RAM. That's it. The other program remains same. Let us debug this program now quickly. Now my source memory is the internal memory, so D, and my destination is the external memory. I need not change, but just to maintain. So let me initialize some data here. You can also give hexadecimal data there, right? So now I'm copying from internal RAM to the external RAM. So I have initialized the pointers now. So now I'm reading from the internal RAM. Now see, I have done a mistake here. The mistake is it should be move X, right? So that's why. And the other mistake is I have not written the label. So this is how you learn programming. You should type the program, debug the errors, only then you will come to. So let me initialize again. 1 comma. Fine. So DPTR is initialized with 1000. The first byte is copied. Now this is copied to the external RAM, right? And this will be repeated for 5 times. That's it, right? So if you see all the programs, the logic remains same, except in case of overlapping condition, wherein you have to find the last address, right? So type this program, debug yourself, and try to execute. Thank you.